look at my flock. A bunch of junks. And here I am, the post office, about to go grab the bird. Alright, just got the bird, riding shotgun with me. Once we get home, we'll open it up. So here's the finale. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, she is beautiful. Take a look at that. Out the box. Say hi, Remy. Hopefully my dog doesn't eat it. Oh yeah, she is beautiful. Color eye. The beak is pinkish black, which is fine. Alright, we're gonna take her and introduce it to one of a cock that I had for her. Pair up the hand with this cock bird. No, Remy, heel. Sit. Good girl. This is the cock bird that the new hen is gonna be paired up with. Color eye. So yeah. Alright, so here they are in an individual pen right now. The cockbird is my foundation cockbird. Let's see if we can get okay. Yeah, and then that's the hand, so we'll see how they are in a couple of days. So yeah, stay tuned.